Well, the best thing that comes out of AI writing code is that now, first of all, you can write so much more code, but now coding is almost fun. Now you can just get to the fun part. You can get to code any and everything that you want. It also diminishes its monetary value for sure. The thing is, most people don't understand this, but if before it was a normal distribution, if before the ability of the coding prowess of people was a normal distribution, now it's a step function. I think that most of the top 50% have moved into being all as good as the top 10% before. They're all absolutely useless now. You say that, you're a dumbass if you think that AI will change coding so much. Well, it has already. But anyway, the fun thing is that you can just finish stuff now. You can code something up in 10 times less time. That's absurdly awesome. That's absurdly good. That is, you don't understand how powerful that is. That is absolutely great. Well, it also means that there is so much more code getting written. The jobs are gonna get fewer and much better paying. I'm not saying there is no money. I'm saying that the competition now is fierce. I'm saying that, maybe AI won't replace programmers, but it's gonna make for an environment in which you just need very, very few of them. I feel like the best thing that you can do is cybersecurity, because now there are so many threats. Now there are so many more people that can just go into it. And I think that this current system, this current ecosystem in which AI can enable so many people to be so much more dangerous, to write so much more dangerous code, is inevitably going to result in somebody fucking up greatly. Cyber attacks, I feel like we're gonna see some absolutely devastating cyber attacks. This is almost inevitable. This is going to be what wakes people up, probably. You could have woken up earlier before the disaster. I feel like that is something that we need to talk about more. The fact that any and everything can be fucked up. Any and every system that you use can be hacked. So just think about if UPI goes down forever. Just think about if your bank stops working forever. Think about if the power grid gets hacked and it gets permanently disabled. Think about so many things, man. But the disruptive prowess of all of this, or say nuclear plants get hacked and a nuke is piloted remotely into the city itself that it's being thrown at, into the country itself. Like, do you see how dangerous it can be? And that is gonna be a hard awakening. I feel like, cybersecurity is one of the most important things right now. Cybersecurity is likely the next frontier of war. It already is. It has been for a while, but I feel like it's going to be violated right now because the game has changed. The rules have changed forever, and I feel like we don't understand how much so. But anyway, the great thing about AI is that everybody can write so much more code. The great thing about it is that people who are very good are now extremely good, superhumanly good. This also constitutes a great problem for security. Likely, there are going to be many less jobs because just think about this. I used to have a fake data engineering job, okay? And it actually made sense because it was a tedious job. You had to clean data, you had to move data, and all of that. But now, the same thing that would take you 3 months takes you a week. So If before it took 5 people, it may take 1. This is what I say when I say that AI is changing programming forever. It means that it's gonna be much more difficult to get a job.